Hi everybody, welcome to Speech Without Limits video. This is a continuation of the home series videos showing how you can print off manual communication boards and use the capture feature on the chat editor software from Satillo and make a fringe strip, and then you can use this as visual supports throughout your house. So this movie is going to well, not movie, this video will show how I'm using this visual support in my son's bedroom, and this is by his closet. So I just have the Tell Me board, manual communication board here, and then at the top, like I said, I use that capture feature within Chat Editor, and I went to the clothing section and just got some nouns up here. So I have my fringe plus an additional core word with the wear, since that's not on my main board. And so we have used this a lot. So some ways that I use it with the clothing aspect, he can tell me what he wants to wear for the day. A lot of times now, he's about 2.5 now, and so he definitely has an opinion about what he wants to wear, and so he will tell me that he does not like his certain shirt and that he may want a different shirt, and he will tell me it has to be Mickey because he loves Mickey right now. So we use different a lot up here, that we want a different shirt, or we want different pants, or we may want different pajamas. So we use that word a ton up here. Since we're in his bedroom, we also will talk about how we're going to bed. So we did have a stage of the terrible twos for sure. And he was not wanting to go to bed. And so I just used this visual support for my language with him. And we would talk about how we have to go to sleep because it helps our bodies so that we can play the next day. And how we will not whine or cry, but we're going to go to sleep so that we can help our bodies. And, you know, it just slows down your language whenever you're using this visual support. Slows down your language. You're using fewer words. It also helps orient and focus them so that they're not having so much of a fit and they're listening to you. And so we were able to get through that stage and get on with our bedtime routine just fine with this. And like I said, we're doing negotiation with clothes right now, and we really like having this information different. You could also talk about if your shirts and clothing, since they grow so fast when they're young, if it's too big or if it's too little. And then again, if you need something different, this is a wonderful word whenever it comes to clothing time, and that we need to put our clothes on. Or you could ask, like, what do you want to wear today? And give them 2 choices and see what they pick out. So those are just some ideas of how you can use a manual communication board with some of that lovely fringe and vocabulary, and talk about either bedtime routines, give them a first then kind of a thing, and then talk about what to wear during their day. So there you go. Thanks for checking in and watching today's video. Please watch the others if you haven't, on other ideas of how to use manual communication boards in your home, because carrying around a device can sometimes be cumbersome and they forget it in one room. But if you have these nice little visuals everywhere, you're always within arm's reach, hopefully, of some communication. All right, thanks again for watching. Please subscribe and leave a comment or question below. Thanks. Bye.